How to fix my singing monster's sound problem. Welcome everyone. We will fix this issue easy and quick. Together, let's do it. So open the settings of your phone first. Click at your apps option and search for my singing monsters and click. Scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache right now. Here just back, click add for stop, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store and update my singing monsters. Restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.